Hi lovelies, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nayada. Today I'm here to show you how I made this beautiful satin hair bonnet without sewing. Yes, without sewing. But first, let me thank you all for your love and support. Thanks for subscribing, and if you're new here, I welcome you all to my channel. But please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So we are going to use a strap, a pair of scissors, and a material. The material must be in a round form. Also, I'm going to make some spots on the material in a circular form with a marker. I'm about to cut those spots out to create holes on the material. The holes should be close enough to get a style that we want. And it should look like this till they are all complete. So we are about to use the strap. But I would turn the material at the front side, and I'll start filling the holes with a strap. Starting from the front side, get it at the back. Then repeat the same process till they are all filled with a strap. For the strap, you can replace it with an elastic band, but for that one you need a thread and needle to seal it. But today our main project is making this without sewing. Alright, so we are almost done with the satin hair bonnet and it is ready to use. You can try this at home without sewing, just with a pair of scissors, a strap, and also the material. You can use an African material to complete it. Thank you very much for watching this video, but please don't forget to subscribe, drop your comments, and share. I'll be here bringing you more on pageantry, modeling, fashion, and lifestyle. See you in my next tutorial.